How to set wallpaper from Google Photo on your stock Android 15 devices. Open the app drawer on your phone. Tap the Google Photo application on your device. Select the photo you want to set a wallpaper on home screen and lock screen from your Google Photo. Here we select this photo. Now tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner to set wallpaper. Now scroll. Here you can find the use as option on your device. Tap on the use as option, tap on it. Now select the photo option, photo wallpaper at the bottom on your stock Android version, tap on it. Now here you can see how it look in home screen and lock screen. So you can set home screen and lock screen wallpaper also. Also apply it here, effect, tap on it. It will apply cinematic wallpaper 3D motion effect on your Android 15 or any picture device running Android 15. Now tap the set wallpaper at the top right corner. Tap on a set wallpaper. Here you can set lock screen and home screen wallpaper. Here we only set the lock screen option. Tap on a set. Now wallpaper set successfully message. Now lock your phone and you can see set the wallpaper on lock screen on your Android 15. That's it. Like it, share it.